Now, what happens, as the author of the Medina books clearly mentioned when I met him, and I'll play the video for you, he clearly mentioned that people, when it comes to the Arabic language, they feel like they're learning some different language.
You see, in languages, you ask people, what language are you learning? He says, I'm learning Spanish, I'm learning French, I'm learning Russian. But if we ask a man who's learning Arabic, he doesn't say, I'm learning Arabic. He says, I'm learning Arabic grammar. That's the mindset which is wrong.
And I understand, and it should be that way in a sense, because the Arabic language is unique and is special in a way or another, being the fact that it's the language of the Qur'an. However, it is still a language, and the way how you learn it is how you learn any other language. So you shouldn't feel like I'm learning Arabic grammar when you even haven't learned the language yet. Likewise, this happens many times because we listen to, let's say, a fatwa by a Arabic scholar, like Ibn Uthaymeen. An Arabic student might ask him in Arabic, what book should I start with? And so Shaykh Ibn Uthaymeen, he says, start with Al-Ajrumiyyah. And Al-Ajrumiyyah is Arabic grammar. And that makes complete sense because this person knows already enough vocabulary to actually go into Al-Ajrumiyyah and understand it. But us, who are foreigners and we are not Arab people, we need to start from what a baby starts. That same vocabulary that an Arab person learned when he was little and his mom told him, Ishrab, drink, ta'al, come. انظر السماء, look at the sky. Here, take an apple. روح انام, go to sleep. All of these words, a native person, even if he speaks a dialect, all of these he has grasped it. So when he gets into a book like Al-Ajrumiyyah, grammar book, he understands it. But us foreigners, we need to first build our vocabulary. And if you look in the ayah where Allah Azza wa Jalla says in the Qur'an, وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا ثُمَّ عَرَضَهُمْ عَلَى الْمَلَائِكَةِ. And Allah, as you can see here in the quote, Allah taught Adam the words of all things, the meanings of all things. If you look in different tafsir, Ibn Kathir, Ibn Ashur in particular, he said that he started with that because that's mabda'ul ilm. Meaning, and he mentioned that taking a word and putting it to the musamma, taking an ism and putting it into the musamma, i.e. knowing how to recall things. You see a thing, you see an apple, and you can recall how you say that in Arabic. Right? Or you see the sky and you can recall how you say that in the Arabic language. Or you see a car and you can recall how you say this in the Arabic language. He said, Ibn Ashur in his Tafsir, a scholar in Tafsir, he said that this is mabda al-ilm. This is the beginning of ilm, the beginning of knowing. Naam, and Allah says in the Qur'an, you came out of the stomachs of your mothers not knowing anything. And Allah taught you. Now, very simply explain, what is the first thing your parents teach you? What is the first thing your parents teach you? Is it grammar or is it vocabulary? You respond to yourself. And I'm pretty sure that if you're somebody who, ya'aqil, you are going to say vocabulary.